Shreya Mazumdar, and my hometown is in Ranchi. I have been working in quite a number of places, like regionally. So I've worked in Pune, then Hyderabad, Vizag, Mumbai, but I worked especially in and also Bangalore. So I have mostly worked in a law firm and also an MBFC. So my first job was with India Bulls, and it wasn't a very pleasant place to be because I didn't like the work and I thought I did not learn much. Then after that, I switched to a law firm, which gave me a variety of exposures. I mean, I got to be in a team where I wanted. I mean, I could get exposures to, like I've done corporate work, I've done IPR work, I've also done litigation cases there, but I wasn't much involved with that. But I've done the research work, so it actually gave me an exposure to a wide number of subjects, and so I really liked working there. But unfortunately, it was a startup and it wasn't doing well, so I tried switching, and then I started working with then FMCG, which was like a state based business. But unfortunately, they did not have a very big team, and due to COVID, the lockdown started and there was not a lot of work. So yeah, I have been retrenched after that. During this lockdown, before also I've taken courses with LawSeco. So I was working in a law firm, and I think like whatever was taught in law school wasn't enough, and everybody had their own we had a very small team, and not everybody had a knowledge of everything, so learning was a bit difficult there. And also I could not actually trust um, like the opinions they provided, because it was a small team and I did not know whether it was correct or not. So mostly it was an international law firm, so there was like an agreement drafting. So like an agreement drafting I learned from a foreigner. So like I did not know whether it was correct or not, like the process I was pursuing. So like when I switched to FMCG company, then they told me a different process to go through, the legal notice and my drafting. And so I wanted to know a perfect way where uh, where I could understand what was going on and what was the correct way to pursue something. So my areas were actually a bit diverse. So I have also drafted legal notices. I have done research works on those kind of legal notices like ASCI. But mostly I wanted to concentrate on agreement drafting because I wanted to learn more about it, and I was doing mostly corporate work. So that's where I wanted to focus. The very reason I wanted to upskill myself, because uh, like I was working in a law firm and I did not have a lot of resources to learn from, and I had to do a kind of work, and I had to respond to clients who were probably better than me, who knew more than me, and I just felt like I did not know anything. I did not know much about the subject, and it was very wide. And the course that I have done before with you, with LawSeco, was diploma in business and administration, which actually that course was also good, and it helped me a lot in because it was wider, and it taught me a lot about how should I work, like what initial things that I should know when I am working in a law firm. Also, I think you conducted a lot of webinars at that point of time, which helped me a lot. So the reason I wanted to upskill myself was because I was learning something from my team who was very new to the entire thing, and also I had like international consultants visiting India and who taught me legal drafting and everything. So they are the ones who were teaching me and mentoring me. So I did not know how much it was efficient in India. So I wanted to like have a strong this thing so that I can depend on whatever I'm learning is the correct thing that I'm learning, because I do not know whether whatever they are saying is a correct thing and is applicable to India. So that's the reason I wanted to upskill myself. Like there were a lot of matters that I have been dealing with. Like one was on the top of my head was like one client. It was I think a news agency which wanted to start in India, and they did not want a JV in India. And so, like, so if they don't want to do a JV, what are the other criterias where they can set up they can set up a company, or they can have a wholly owned subsidiary company, or they can have a branch office. So that's something that only a technical person would know. You won't find it in Google. How like the research is not enough on Google. So these are the factors that I think the Law Seeker material helped me a lot with, that to figure out what the answers to my legal opinions could be. And with respect to my recent course with Law Seeker, which was drafting, I think I did the entire drafting course because I had like few doubts on the on how to draft, and I think that got sorted. So I can give you an example regarding that. There is a clause which is the negotiation clause, which you like what I believe is which you may include in an agreement. So if you have like a negotiation clause in your agreement, whether it is an essential clause, or you can go without it and just put arbitration clause and then jurisdiction clause. So things like that. So that gave me a clarity as to if you should actually put a negotiation clause. If your client does not want, should you actually pressurize the client to actually take like put in the negotiation clause. So things like that. I think on practical level, it has helped me a lot, and it has clarified a few things for me, which I could not find it in books generally. I would actually love to learn from Raul Losico. I think if I wasn't on sabbatical, I would have actually taken your entire master access to the entire programs that you have. So yeah, obviously I would love to learn from Losico because I think your strategy is very good. Um, like bookish knowledge, I can go and read a book on whatever topic it is, but it isn't enough. And the practical knowledge is very different. And actually, the main point to it is when you join a law firm, by the time you understand everything, like your probably your senior will be saying that you are not doing well, or this is not how it is. So you start shattering down. Okay, what is going on and how should I learn? So if I already know things, and if I've already seen the drafts that is already that I will be working on in an internship or in a job, so I think that will be better. I mean, you will uh, like pass that ridge that you have. So yeah, I think Nausicaa is doing a great job.